Incorporated, you have full access. Si Ellie, kakatapo lang niya ng jacket niya sa audience ngayon. Nakita agad si Ellie, there, over there. Nagpapalit siya ngayon. And you are here right beside the stage. Only Events Inc. can deliver that. We are right here on stage with the Eraserheads. Let's party with them here at Events Inc. Eraserheads, the final set. Eraserheads has definitely made history and has proven again that they are still the country's #1 band. With more than 100,000 fans rocking the night away, I couldn't help but join in on the fun. After the first set though, Ellie had to catch his breath. Okay, right now they're just checking on Ellie because to make sure that he can continue the concert smoothly, they have to check, all of his health checkup. So after this, we're gonna talk to him right after. But right now we have Sing, who did her makeup, his makeup. Sing, how was the energy earlier? Like, how was Ellie before the concert?
Actually, yung call time namin dapat dun sa preps 2:30. Minove kami to the venue kasi medyo devastated talaga siya over his end.
Okay.
And then here, okay energy niya kasi surrounded siya with friends and family.
I got the rare chance to talk to some of the Eraserheads before they went back on stage. Raymond, kamusta? Kamusta ang feeling? Kamusta naman ang feeling ngayon na nasa gitna na kayo ng final set? Matagal ko matapos. Matagal ko matapos? Oo. Tatlong araw. Talaga 3 araw tong concert na to? Grabe, how do you feel that, there are, I think, 80,000 to 100,000 people outside watching your concert, your reunion? Like Hannah Montana. Like Hannah Montana, Miley Cyrus ang feeling. Like the best of both worlds. Like the best of both worlds. You know what, Raymond Pinina, I was talking to your daughter. Your daughter, Atari, and the daughter, Marcus, and the 3 girls, and Vida, yeah. They're, hello kids. So cute. Backstage at the rock concert, thank you so much. Okay, Marcos, how do you feel about tonight?
Great. Good.
Kamusta ang energy ng grupo?
Pa-pick up pa lang. Tapos bigla lang yung bababa.
So, ayun, makita mo ang daming tao, di ba? Mga 80,000 or 100,000 natin mga tao tonight. Anong feeling ng sa lahat? Masarap. So, ito na ba talaga ang final set or will there be another part? Will there be a part 2 pa?
Another final set.
Another final set.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko masabi rin. Ang alam ko lang, meron kami isa pang set.
Mamaya, 5 minutes. Okay, plans after the concert, Marcos?
I will disappear again for 5 days.
5 days vacation. Okay, here's to your final set and to your vacation. Yeah. Ellie's partner and manager, Diane Ventura, gave me an exclusive peek to Ellie's waiting room. Diane, kamusta naman?
Okay naman. Pwede, anong gagawin?
Wala lang. Stay ko lang siya. How do you feel now that, after seeing all the fans gathering together to watch you guys together?
We were amazing. I mean, the crowd was amazing.
Yeah, you guys are amazing totally, no?
Seriously, I didn't expect the crowd to be that big and awesome.
So ngayon, now that it's your intermission, what's in your mind before you go back on stage?
Mas relax na kami ngayon. First set was medyo jittery, to say the least. But right now, since tapos na yung first set, I'm quite confident na we can finish this episode.
Okay, sige. Congratulations and see you later. Okay, hey Yon, how are you? This is Yon, by the way. Hey Yon, how are you? Organizer, producer of the concert, he's the one responsible for the final set. And that's Jay Sabuat over there, and that's Diane, the manager and partner of Idea. We're here backstage here at Rising Access, exclusive just for us. And after a few minutes, Ellie was back on his feet. Okay, malapit na start ang second set for the final set of the Eraserheads final set. And see, right now you can see them underneath, and then after that they're all gonna go up because mag-start na yung second set nila. And it's gonna elevate from here going up stage. Okay? I've never seen a crowd as vigorous as this one. Everyone's favorite part, however, was of course the band's tribute for Francis Kiko Magalona. As we all know, the master rapper was supposed to sing with them that night before he passed away a day prior to the concert. That number almost gave me goosebumps. Tribute to more popular Eraserhead songs that we are all familiar with, we just loved every second of the final set. Then there was some audience participation. That I wasn't very much prepared